Hello student, welcome back. This is Vasanth Nayak from our channel. Today we will see the second experiment of 18 series CSL48 microcontroller and embedded system lab of 4 semester students CS and IS. Hello students, welcome back. This is Vasanth Nayak from our channel. Today we will see the second experiment of 18 CSL48, that is microcontroller and embedded system lab of 4 semester CS and IS students. In this second experiment, second experiment, you have to find out the sum of the first 10 numbers. So the algorithm for this one is this is algorithm for to find out the 10 numbers. Let us go to directly go to the program. So in the program, I have defined first one memory location by name sum, by label sum, and its type of DCD. DCD means defined constant data. Defined constant data will allocate one or more memory words of 4 bytes. Aligned on 4 bytes boundaries, byte boundaries that I have declared in defined in data segment in separate area. You can see here. Then the program starts with the, as usual, with the TTL title. The title is given as here integer sum, and followed by area. The name for the area is program 2, and it is code, meant for code, and it is mapped to finally read only memory. So starting point of the program is represented by entry. So initially I have assigned the address of the sum to R0, and I have taken one loop iterator because I want to count 10 iterations, that is 10 numbers. I want to count the sum of 10 numbers. For that, loop iterator is R1, and initially I have taken R2 is equal to 0. It's something like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So R2 is initially 0 and R1 is initially 1. So let us compare R1 is equal to 10. If it is not, if it is equal to 10, go to store and store the result here in the memory location. Otherwise what it will do is it will take the this number, it will add that to R2 and store the result in R2, then increment the R1 number, that is iteration number, and it will loop to next.